Looking for ultimate car protection? Meet the V8 Ultra-5 dash cam. Front, rear, interior, and side views all in stunning 4K, plus AI driver monitoring for safer driving. 4K front and rear recording. Capture crystal clear 4K footage on the front and rear cameras for maximum detail. 360 degrees, 5-channel coverage. Record front, rear, interior, and side angles simultaneously. Perfect for rideshare drivers, families, and fleet vehicles. AI Driver Monitoring System, DMS. AI monitors driver behavior, alerting you to fatigue, distractions, or unsafe driving for extra safety. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. Track routes, download footage instantly, and share clips with Wi-Fi connectivity. Night vision and 24/7 parking mode. Night vision ensures clear low-light recordings, while parking monitor mode protects your vehicle even when unattended. Includes a free 128 GB memory card to get started. Complete 5-channel coverage captures every angle of your drive. 4K ultra-clear video for day and night ensures all details are recorded. AI driver alerts keep you safer behind the wheel. Advanced setup may take a little time for first-time users. Large unit size may block part of the windshield view if not mounted carefully. Overall, the V8 Ultra-5 dash cam is perfect for anyone wanting full coverage, AI safety alerts, and high-resolution recording on every drive. Check out the V8 Ultra-5CH dash cam on Amazon today and protect every angle of your car. Link in the description.